Welcome back to this new video tutorial in Google Sheets. In this video, we will learn how to enable the date picker calendar. Here in the example, I have two tables to enter the detail of the invoice. In this invoice date columns, I need to enter the dates. In this first table, if I click on the invoice date cell, I will get a calendar date picker. But here in this case, if I double click, no calendar date picker is given. So here we will learn how to enable this calendar here, from which we can easily pick up any date. By going to these buttons, we can go to the previous or next month. By clicking on the date, we can easily enter the date inside the cell. So to enable the date picker, first of all you need to select the range where you want to enable the date picker calendar. Then click on data tab, click on data validation. Then here in the data validation rules, you have to click on add rule option. Then here in this criteria, click on the drop down, then choose the option that is valid date. Now click on done button. Close data validation rules by clicking here. Now here if you double click, the calendar is activated. By using this calendar date picker, you can insert any date inside the cell. So this is the way of enabling the date picker calendar in Google Sheets. This much for today's video. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe and also turn on all the notifications to get video updates on Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.